Well, so we have a train here at Bunton Road. It's what we call it. Say it, Daddy.
Bunton.
B-U-N. It is spelled B-U-N-T-O-N. And the reason why I'm having my flash on is... Oh, he's crossing Willis, I think, right? Daddy, how far is he?
Right there.
Daddy, how far is he?
I'm gonna guess he's about half a mile, maybe. Hear the rails. Nice echo.
That was McKean. Now it's Willis. How far is he now, Daddy? On our Friday night extravaganza. Oh, Daddy, are these daters loud?
Yeah, darn mechanical bells.
Daddy, are they loud?
Yes.
Daddy, I better back up a little bit.
Okay, come on. Were these daters loud, yes? Yes. Those darn mechanical bells, they're loud. You like how they sound, yes?
It's a lot louder than the ones at Seneca. I would say that.
Yeah.
I was hoping that was CP 141, but nope. Unless if it was CP 141 leading this train. But I know on the NS 121 it normally has flat haulers at the end, which it did. But okay, so that's it.